go to the party, come back now. It's when time I come back, me tell her say, it coming like I want twilight me walking now. Me no see man, me no see pitney, in take a big screen TV, in computer, everything else left except for my data. My data close, big screen TV, and in computer where we used to use. And in gone with it. So I say, what is this? Me start call him, no answer. Call him mother, no answer. So me drive go to the mother house. So at night now, so me drive go to the mother house, can't get nothing. So me call the police. Police say they can't do nothing because if there is no custody issue, anybody can take them pitney. Me never know that. So ignorance is bliss. Alright, the next day now me come home and me sleep it off. The next morning now, me left and me go down my mother yard again that day now. Me see the man with the pitney and the man, you know, most of the houses them they have glass round it so you can see outside and look in. Look in, see the man with the pitney. When the man see me, in shield the pitney face from me and walk gone upstairs with the pitney so me can't see him no more. And me I say, what is this? Anyway, it's to go back home and it's to see police come to my house with restraining order. Say me not supposed to go. Me not supposed to go around them or else me will get a stay away order, you know, that is the worst kind. Full stay away order, meaning say me not have no contact, no this, no that, no nothing, no go near them 100 feet, nothing. So me say, Jesus have his mercy. Now, you know, things start to set in now, like, what is this? Man lock down the account where he used to work and put him money in and stuff. Account locked down, so me no have no access to money.
The money.
Me have my son with me. And he left and gone, so you know, so me have to live somewhere. Me have to pay $1,400 for rent at the time. That not include anything, so me have to pay electricity, me have to pay gas. And he turn off my phone, because the phone did deny name. So lessons learned, because now me find myself in a situation because I have a little baby now. And I not work, me depend on a man. This is what the man do to me. Everything locked down. And I say, girl, lucky thing say, I'm a person where have good friends because my good friends in this country are my friends them that I have is friends that I have from I come here back in 1994 until now. And them are my same friend until now. So I know some people from back home. So I start make some call now, seeking help. So now some of my friends they come up with whatever money they could have come up with. Because when me try to get a lawyer now, to put on a case in a court for me, the first thing them tell us say, you have to come up with 5,000 US. So now he move out and gone now and me left with rent and me not have a job, me not have no money, whatever. But me know say me not go suffer, you know, cause one thing me tell myself say, me do whatever me have to get ahead in a life is survive. As long as it's the legal route. Me work or, you know, me will keep one little man or whatever me can so me can get ahead in a life. That's what me know me will do. And me people not go suffer. So anyway, me finally come up with some money and me find one lawyer who could have take that $3,000 in that take and me put the case in a court and then put on what is called a writ, meaning they were forcing to bring a writ, WRIT, of habeas, HABEAS, corpus, CORPUS. Is a legal procedure that brings a person before a court to determine if their detention is lawful. The term comes from the Latin phrase habeas corpus, which means you should have the body, meaning you have to bring the baby to court right away. That's how me could have seen my daughter. The man take out my pitney, my baby, and me feed. And me couldn't see my pitney for must about 2 weeks before me could have come up with the money and go to the court. And that they wouldn't bring now. So now me think say, you know, at least me get a little bit of relief. Hey, one boy tell a judge and he lie and everybody say me I go run away with the baby because me illegal. And how me reach in this country and how much offense me have. Oh, by the way, when me used to live in me and him, we did have one roommate when me and she did get in some altercation. Anyway, she called the police and they lock up 2 hours, both hours. So all of that he might use against me now. He say me violent. He say me I go run with the baby, and he say me illegal. So me have whole heap of strike against me as a black woman in America living in one of the county which is the most. So you know say I don't be doom. I'm back and forth in a court and they only give me back a baby eventually. They give me back a baby temporary so me can have the baby during the week. And he must have a baby every weekend, but he must come every day. He must come pick up a baby for 2 hours for dinner visit. And I say what the foolishness here. Anyway, me lie. Me in my head, me not so right now. Me not think straight. So anything when me can do forget to see me pitney, and that's what me agreed to.
Yeah.
So me agreed to that, and him was supposed to pay me $200 as in a spousal support weekly. He's supposed to pay me $200 and it's temporary. Cause we never married no long time, Cause I remember girl married to the man when they did pregnant with my daughter. So by the time he take with the baby, I never even 1 year yet. I did couple weeks or probably so less than 1 year since we didn't married. Anyway, so now we go back and forth in a court and he might pay me $200. Now me find one nanny where me have to pay. Tell her say me can only afford to pay her $200. So and then me go find one little work. I didn't know one little man, but me never did so. Sometimes man with money, sometimes man are good people them to date because they have some little dirty ways and me never in there. So me go calling, come and know say I have a business. And he have a medical billing business. And me call him and ask him say if he can hire me and tell him say me not have nothing for work, but if he can do something to help me. And so the little man did love me and he give me a job. So me used to have to drive, go all the way go train and then come back. 2 weeks me have to train for. And then he said me have to work not too far from where me live, so me not have to worry. So that saved me the local work when me get, so me could have pay my rent, and my friend helped me with the first month when he leave out. The next month he helped me with that the money there, so me could have pay my rent. So me get the local work at $10 an hour, but me use it $200 when me get from him, the man, and pay the sitter. Alright? So every evening the man come now, if me not did it, it's a problem. If man taunt me, if he come with the baby and me not there, all if the baby and go back with the baby saying all if him baby a stranger. And I saw a man have me and he video me, he come like I say, a man just, when he have dangle like, he torment me, he do all kind of sitting, him throw himself on the ground because me I search him because he come around me with tape and video. So me go up to him and I touch him. Me never know say this restraining order so powerful me dear. Cause why you allow him to come against me if him not supposed to come against me? There was supposed to be other arrangement made, but they allow him to come on my yard to drop off and pick up a baby. Me watch the man throw himself to the ground, Nadia. Throw himself to the ground with the baby in his hand and call the police and tell the police and me slap him in the face and he fell to the ground and they lock me up. They lock me up. I spend a night in jail. So me now I say, oh my God, them are gonna deport me because me no legal here. And now me arrested not once but twice. Remember somebody get arrested with my friend already.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. Big up the lady who call in and give me her story to share on the platform. Big respect goes out to her because I know everybody brave to come tell them story like this. Hey people, well this is part 2 of our story. If you never catch part 1 is posted underneath this post. Part 3 is going to come up shortly, so stay tuned, grab on a popcorn and really enjoy this 4-part series. Big up on yourself out there, people who don't know, say this is the girl Nadia Official. Always keep things real always keep things official. Thanks to each and every one of you guys out there who take time out of your busy schedule to watch a video for me. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the shares, and the DM messages. And to all of my top supporters with a bad side on the name, a huge shout out to each and every one of you. Don't know, say gratitude is a must. Humbleness is a must. And all of the people who there with me and support me, even if you don't have a badge, big up on yourself same way, because me know you don't know, say me no different. Right true. Big up big up everybody who ever contribute to this platform. Thank you guys for the love and support. And don't know, say the YouTube channel is there and it's called Naked with Nadia. The Facebook is there and it's called Naked with Nadia Unfiltered. The Instagram and the TikTok is called Naked with Nadia or Nadia _official_FR. Do the right thing now. Like up all of the platform them. Make the thing stronger, because you don't know say a phone place. So you free to comment whatever you want to comment. No comment has ever been deleted. Yeah man, me no do that something there. So yeah. Just make sure say do so respectfully, because remember, a real people I share them real story. Yeah, and people have feelings out there, so think twice before you get to the typing. Big up on yourself out there, people who don't know love and love alone. Me respect so respect me, respect the platform, respect the people them out there who is sharing their story. Big up on yourself. Big respect. Peace. I'm out. Bye.